Freaking Barney doll. What's going on? It's your boy Diego Shannon Vlogs 2. Today I'm going to be sharing you what toys I have I'm going to be using for videos, like all the puppets, all the toys I have that I use usually. So let's get on the video. And one thing, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications on. Let's run the video. One thing I have to say, this camera isn't working. Hurt my ankle. So this camera isn't working, so I have to use my phone now. I've been using it for something to record for Instagram stuff. You know that did that Woody doll that was on the fan. So yeah. So I might use this for a video. I don't know when, but that'll be for some video on Easter. I don't know. So this is what I usually use. Me and Cole were gonna make the prank video, but it got canceled. We wanted to make a vlog by ourselves, so Jesse. The next video, Toy Story video, is going to be a football. Then after that, there's going to be a movie. So yeah. Then we're going on to season 2. Football hat. Okay, let me talk about this. So, Cole, if you're watching, my dad let me borrow this. So we're going to be using that for a video. But I can't lose it, Cole, so watch out. I got the alien. Whoa, what the heck happened to him? I have a Buzz Lightyear. Oh, I changed his voice deeper because I didn't like that, Woody like that. Here's what I'm going to be using cop for cop, football, the next video. Yellow Toad. I changed clothes with Blue Toad because he needed more. I don't know why. I have no reason to change them, but I really like the colors now. I don't know. Here's Woody. By Woody, he's my favorite toy. Cole voices him, and Blue Toad. His arm broken, just like here. Wait, where is it? His thing, from this broke, and I couldn't find his set, so we're now gonna use the No Hat Woody. And this is the Woody I got too. No Hat Woody too. God. This is just plastic too, so yeah. Alright. Now I have the junk in here. I'm gonna take this out. So Bullseye's gonna be in his nose. I colored it, so he's gonna be in season 2 in Toy Story. So yeah, he was in the Toy Story the first video we ever made. It's my Mario. I'm not gonna be using him. Potato Head, I can't find its parts. Lots though. This is Lots though. I'm gonna be using him in a movie. Yeah. Why do I have frickin' Barney doll? Get that out of here. Frickin' Barney doll. You know what? The dogs need this now. So the dogs are using that. Barney. Hey. Barney, don't take revenge. I'm taking revenge too. It's my Padres hat. I don't know what I'm gonna use this in the video. I might use it on Buzz or Lots though. Slinky, he wasn't shown in any videos, but he's gonna be making season 2. So I'm gonna make a season 2 crate. They're gonna make it to season 2, not Lots though, cause he's an evil. He's gonna make it to Evil Dr. Porkchop, or I forgot his name, but he just pooped out a lot of stuff. Pooped out diarrhea. Alright. Hi, I'm Luigi. He's gonna make in season 2 too. He's gonna be in Toy Story 2 again in season 2. Like from season 2, he's gonna make it in Toy Story 2. So yeah. And here's Eminem. He was from Las Vegas. Yeah, I'm gonna keep him in here. This is Midget Mario. I call him Midget because he's so small. I mean, look at him. Look. I call this the best and tall Mario. Look. See? That's why he's a midget. Alright. Put them back. Alright guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what the next video is. I'll try planning this. So.